Road King versus the Road Glide ST. 117 versus the 110. They coming through. Races out here today. Dang, man, wow. Pulling up, dope. What's up, guys, man? Before we start this video, man, I just want to let you guys know, man, today only we got 10 entries per hat. You guys buy one hat, you get 10 entries. You buy two hats, you buy 20 entries. You buy three hats, you get 30 entries, and so on and so forth, man. You guys know we're giving away our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a wide body Hellcat and a bike for second place, man. Meanwhile, third place, you guys know we got our 131 up for grabs, our 2020 Road Glide special with all of everything regular oohs and ahs, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win that thing, man, now's the time to shine because we're going live Friday giving away this thing, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway today only, man. We got 10 entries per hat purchase, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get in while you can. Meanwhile, let's get back to the movie. Got the CVO versus twin cam versus twin cam. Y'all see what's going on, man. everything regular. Go get you an everything regular hat. You never know, man. You could be up next racing too. So move. Hey man, I couldn't catch no grip. You feel me? That ain't an excuse. You seen it. You seen it.
That's what I didn't do. I just kicked that motherfucker. Get off the throttle, stay in the gas.
I use my toe, like I put it under.
Yeah.
And I shift like this without using the clutch.
That's what I was doing.
It make the bike, it make it so both problems.
You got the things out. You got that LA thing out here, man.
You want to try it?
He says you want to try it? Come on, bro. You know you got the fastest bike out here, man.
I know.
See, I can't catch traction, so I know you really can't catch traction. It might be a good race, man. It might get, we might be able to do something in a minute.
Come on, man.
We might be able to do something, man.
Oh, you and him?
Oh, yeah. He like, shit. He said, man, that one got the flags on it, man. You can't do nothing with that.
He gonna breathe purple all on your bike.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah. I love the energy, man. I was looking for you earlier, but you didn't come out, so. Left lane. Look like left lane. the track today. I can't catch no grip. Y'all know at the track I'm catching all the grip. I'm having that thing in the sky. So y'all see it here, man. Road King versus the Road Glide ST. 117 versus the 110. What y'all think? Who's gonna win, man? Who's gonna win, man? Let's do it. Let's do it. Boggy bog, bogged at the line. He bogging at the line. Road Glider, Road King, who y'all got? Tell us where we at real quick,
hey,
man.
we outside H-Town, Texas, all black and no biscuits.
Come on.
We on that shit, baby, with them fast ass Harleys.
Come on, y'all see what's going on.
Red right there, over there. She over there.
Oh, she over there, big chilling? I see you, gang.
She don't want no smoke.
No smoke?
She wants some smoke.
Okay, okay.
I got everything you looking for.
Yeah?
I don't give a fuck. You got a 117,
Yeah.
124, 153.
Oh, damn.
Ride that motherfucker.
Like that, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna ride that bitch.
Yes.
We not racing.
Who got this helmet? Huh? I know you got some shit in your pants, right? I was like, I know he's in his pants right there.
I ain't know that bitch was gonna pop like that.
Yeah, I was like, ooh.
Yeah, it's like that nigga like, damn.
I was like,
You got this shit on camera?
I damn near did. I damn near did. You did that though. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. It's real. You been so sweet, that motherfucker. That shit was funny. You lit that bitch. Yeah, y'all see us out here. We going yay yay. We just pulled. Yeah, sir. Y'all see I'm out here with the ladies today. I'm out here with the ladies today, man. Y'all see what's going on. Let's get everybody in here. Okay, there's the smile out. There's the smile. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. You guys seen we took some races today. We got a couple wins, couple losses, man. More than anything, we couldn't really catch any traction at all today to get a real good race, but all in all, we did do what we can do, and we came out here and had fun, man. I can't wait. You guys know that 131 is gonna be one of you guys' come Friday, man, so you guys might wanna get in for a chance to win. So if you guys haven't already, man, you guys might wanna get in for a chance to win, because that 131 can be yours for as little as 75 bucks today. Today only you get 10 entries just for purchasing the Everything Regular hat, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now, because not only are we giving away our 131 that you guys seen us racing today, we got our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck, the bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a wide body Hellcat and a bike for second place, man. Third place, you guys seen we was doing what we do today on the 131. So third place, you'll receive your very own Everything Regular special Road Glide with the 131 on that joint, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now, man. We are going live Friday with this bad boy, man. I can't wait. Get on in while you can. It's a movie.